Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max and I'll be showing you how to, on your device, how to lock apps using Face ID. Now of course, if you have an updated device or of course your 17, which is your iPhone 17, you can actually lock your apps. Alright, so as you know, Face ID is where the device uses your face to unlock. Alright, so you can add another layer of security on certain apps, such as your banking apps, anything involving money transactions. It's best to have a secondary line of security. Also, if you want to, you can lock your messages, you can lock other key or sensitive apps, and I'll be showing you how to do that. Now, by default, you'll find that apps do ask if you want to lock them. All right, so sometimes when you do install, it asks you that, but you may not have given it permission. So just in case, after the fact, you want to actually at any time go ahead and lock a app. Now it's very easy. All you gotta do is simply go ahead. I'm going to use photos as an example. You're going to go ahead and long press, and as soon as you long press, you're going to look right here and it says require Face ID. You're going to tap on that and you're going to set it up. All right, so for example, this device already has Face ID. So if you don't have Face ID enabled, you'll need to enable that first. All right, so I'm going to use a more sensitive app such as PayPal. So go ahead and long press, so press and hold, and of course I'm going to hit require Face ID, and of course here it goes. It says require Face ID for PayPal. This app will require Face ID or a passcode to open or show the content in other apps. App content will not appear in the notification previews or spotlight. All right, so that's a added layer of security you can add, and of course the removing it from the notification is an added layer of security. All right, okay, so you can see you have the option to require Face ID or hide and require Face ID. All right, so this second one here is for anything that you want to hide. You can actually hide and require Face ID, or you can require Face ID. For these purposes, we're going to use require Face ID. All right, so you saw just now in the dynamic island, there was a check. All right, so for example, let's say we're going to use PayPal. So go ahead and we're going to launch. And of course, you just saw just now the Face ID icon appear up there, meaning it will not open until I verify myself with Face ID. All right, so if anyone tries to open PayPal, it will have that. All right, so that's how to do it on your iPhone 17 or other similar devices. Hope this was useful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.